Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our English grammar class with chapter second, articles and determiners. Dear students, in this class we will discuss about articles, what is articles, what are determiners, and how many types of determiners are there, which words are known as the determiners. All the things we will discuss in this topic. First, determiners. If anyone asks you what is determiners, then determiners are words that identify or specify the noun in the sentence. Means determiners are that type of word whichever identify the noun. If any word is identified by the noun, that is known as the determiners. If we talk about type of determiners, are there many various types of determiners are there in English grammar. Then at first we will begin with article. If dear students we will talk about articles, and there are two type of article are there. You already know that definite article and indefinite article. Definite article means the is known as the definite article. Why we say definite? Because in this case we are sure that the will come, because in many special condition we have to use the. But a and an is known as indefinite article. Means in this case we are not sure a will come or a will come, because both are used for singular countable noun, but a special condition for each one. For a, we can say that if any spelling is start with consonant sound, then we have to use a. If any spelling is start with vowel sound, then we have to use n. Second one is demonstrative determiners. In demonstrative determiners there are four words like this, that, these and those. All four are known as the demonstrative determiner. Possessive determiners means that type of words that show the possession of with any person, that is known as possessive determiners, like my, our, your, his, her. All that type of word is known as possessive determiners. Fourth one is distributive determiners. Distributive determiners, that type of word showing anything is distributing between or among persons, like each, every, either, neither. That type of word are known as distributive determiners. Fifth one, interrogative determiners. Dear students, you already know that if interrogative word is there, then you can understand all the WH words are in the interrogative determiner, like what, where, which, whom, who, why, what, when. Whatever WH words are there, that is known as interrogative determiner. And last one is quantifier. Quantifier means that shows about the quantity. If in any sentence they're talking about the quantity, then we can say that type of words is used, like some. I like to take some tea. Much, many. I have many books on English grammar. Several, etc. That type of word is known as quantifiers. Dear students, at first, determiners. Determiners are words that identify or specify the noun in the sentence. That is the main role of the determiner, to identify the noun. Types of determiners, various type of determiners are there, starting with articles, a and the. Two type of articles there, definite article and indefinite article. The is known as definite article and a and n is known as indefinite article. If we talk about demonstrative determiners, like then this, that, these and those. This and that is used for singular noun, and these and those is used for plural nouns. Now possessive determiners will show possession, like my, this is my chalk, this is my board, like that. Our, your, his, her. That type of word whichever shows possession is known as a possessive determiner. Distributive and distribution show in that type of word, like each, every, either, neither. Interrogative determiner, all WH words are including in this one. Quantifiers, whichever shows the quantity or something like that, like some, much, many, several. That type of words are known as quantifier. Dear students, we will begin this determiner chapter with first articles. Dear students, now we will discuss about articles. An article is placed before a noun. If anyone asks you where we have to place the article, then you can say that article is placed before a noun. And one more condition is there, if there is any adjective before the noun. Before the adjective, if any noun is before the noun any adjective is there, then you have to place the before adjective. Means before adjective you have to use article. If there is only noun, then you have to place before noun. But if before the noun any adjective is there, then you have to place the article before the adjective. And if we talk about the types of the articles, then we can say that articles are of the mostly two types: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article is again classified into two types, a and n, and definite article is only one, the. At first we will talk about article a and article n. If I ask you where we have to use a, then simply you know that before the vowel you have to use n, means that type of word, that these five words are known as the vowel, and before vowel we have to place n. But dear students, according to spelling, if you are placing articles, then it may be wrong. Because of that, in this chapter you have to place about the pronunciation. If pronunciation is in the vowel, then you can use n, otherwise you have to use a. If sound is coming from consonant sound, if is any spelling first word sound is like vowel, then you have to use n. If it starts with consonant sound, then you have to use a. Like, at first we will talk about a. Like university word is there. If I ask you what I have to fill here, according to that rule you have to fill n. But pronunciation is what? University. If in Hindi you write university, means first word is about year. Why? So we couldn't place here and we have to fill here a. Because of the pronunciation is start with u only. If we talk about European, then before that also you have to write a. Like 1 rupee note, before that also you have to write a. Spelling is start with vowel, but sound is start with consonant sound, so we have to write here a, because the sound is start with consonant sound, and before the consonant sound any spelling start with consonant sound, then we have to use a. But if in any case spelling is start with vowel and sound is also with vowel, then you have to use n. Or if any spelling is start with consonant and sound is also like a vowel, then you have to use n. Like MLA. If we talk about it, MLA, M is consonant, but sound is what? M, and first word is A. M is English A. Then you have to fill here NMLA, NMA, an honest man, and our, like that you have to fill like that. At first you have to watch the sound of the spelling. If spelling sound is start with consonant sound, then you have to use A. If spelling sound is start with vowel, then you have to write N. It doesn't matter if spelling is start with consonant vowel, you don't have to watch that thing. You have to focus only one thing, sound. Like if spelling starts with vowel sound, then you have to use N. If spelling start with vowel sound, then you have to use N. But if spelling starts with consonant sound, then you have to use A. It is the main and most important rule. If any spelling starts with consonant sound, you have to use A. If any spelling starts with vowel sound, then you have to use N. Dear students, now we will discuss about definite article, the. Dear students, now we will discuss about the. Dear students, the is a definite article, whichever we already discussed earlier. Means the is definite article. In this case, we are sure that where we have to use the, which is used before a specific common noun. Where we have to use the with a specific common noun. And if we talk about the uses of the, then mostly I wrote here points. On that cases you have to use the with superlative degree. If in any sentence superlative degree is placed after the blank, then you may be sure that the will become. In the superlative degree case, you have to use the only. Like Raghav is blank tallest boy. Raghav is tallest boy, and this ST or EST is being there at last, then we can say that it is the superlative degree, and before superlative degree you have to place the. Then Raghav is the tallest boy. Before the superlative degree you have to use the. Case number first. Case number second, with a noun which mentioned earlier. If any noun is being there, whichever mentioned already earlier, with them also you have to write the. Like once there was a lion. Okay, once there was a lion. Here what we write? A. After that, the lion was king. And here before lion we have to mention the, because that noun is already mentioned earlier in a sentence, and again we have to mention that type of thing with the only. Case number third, with common nouns which refer to whole class. If any common noun's name is there and whichever referring to whole class, then also you have to use the. Like the dog is faithful animal. The dog is faithful animal. Here we didn't talk about only a single dog. Here we talk about complete whole species of dog. The dog is a faithful animal. If in any case a common noun which refers to whole class, then you have to use the. After that, with names of the following. If any holy book name is there, like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, Quran, Bible, Guru Granth Sahib, all that type of holy books names being there, before that also you have to use the. Newspapers. If any newspaper name is there, the Times of India, Dainik Bhaskar, Punjab Kesari, whatever newspaper is being there, newspaper's name is being there, before that also we have to use the. Water bodies, the Ganges, the Nils, the Kaveri, the Krishna, that type of river name is also there, then we have to use the only. Nationalities. Dear student, once again I am going to clear your doubt. Before country you don't have to use the, because before name, before country we didn't use the article, we use the article before nationalities like Indians, Europeans, that type of words is being there. If nationalities word is being there, then you have to use the. And monuments, if any historical monuments like the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, that type of word is being there, before that also you can use the. Dear students, it's about the, a, and the. Once again I am going to revise all that things. At first I will start with a, where you have to use a. If any spelling starts with consonant sound, if any spelling starts with consonant sound, it doesn't matter spelling first word is consonant or vowel, it doesn't matter. I told here if any spelling is start with consonant sound, then you have to use a. And if any spelling start with vowel sound is vowel, then you have to use an. And both a and n is used before singular countable noun. If any singular countable noun is there, then you may be sure a or n will become. And after that you have to watch the sound, which type of sound is being creating there, that is spelling. Consonant sound is there, then you have to use a. Vowel sound is being there, then you have to use n. And about the is a definite article whichever used before a specific common noun, and it is used with superlative degree. If in a sentence superlative degree is mentioned and anyone told you for fill in the blanks with correct articles, then you have to use the. Absolutely, it is right. With a noun which mentioned earlier, if any noun is mentioned already in a sentence, like I bought a Parker pen yesterday. After that I am writing I bought a Parker pen yesterday. After that, the pen was superb. At first, I used A. I bought a Parker pen. In the next sentence, the Parker pen was superb. If any noun is already mentioned earlier and again that will come, then you have to use the. Like once there was a lion. Here I got A, and after that in next sentence the lion was king. Third one, with common noun which refer to whole class. If any common noun is being there and that refer to whole class, like the dog is natural animal, the man is mortal, that type of thing is written, then you have to use the. With the names of following, if following names are there, like if any holy book name is there, holy book means Hindus like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, Muslims like Quran, and Christians like we can say that Bible, and if Guru Granth Sahib, that type of holy books names is there, then you have to use the. Newspapers, if any newspaper name is mentioned in sentence and someone say to you for filling the articles, then you have to use the. Before water bodies means the name of the river is being there, then you have to use the. Nationalities, if any nationalities name is being there, then you have to use the. If any historical monuments or such type of monuments are being mentioned there, then also you have to use the. Dear students, now we will talk about demonstrative. Dear students, demonstrative means those determinants that point out a thing or a person. Means demonstrative is used before the point out a thing or a person, and most important thing is here, this demonstrative gives the answer. Which one? Which one means this one, that one, this one, those one. Like if you ask the question with the which one, then answer is being with the demonstrative. At first we will talk about this and these. Both are refers to person or object close by. Close by means nearby. Like this is my chalk. This is my chalk. For singular we use this. And if plural are there, then we can say that these are my chalks. We can say that if any object or a person nearby you, then you have to use this. This in which case you have to write in a singular case. If case is in singular, then you have to use this, and if case is in plural, then you have to use this. And what's the condition? Objects close by. Whichever object or person if close by is there, then you have to use this and those. This is used for singular, this is used for plural. And if we talk about that and those, are refers to person or object that are at a distance. Means little far from you, or maybe a distance between there. Like I can say that is my book. If it is in singular and far from us, then we can say that is my book. And if it is in plural, then we have to say that those are my books. If in singular, that, if plural in there, like we say that those are my books. This is used for this, and this is used for close by. This is used for singular, this is used for plural. That is used for singular noun, and those is used for plural noun. Dear students, this is demonstrative, and demonstrative means only 4 words you have to remember, like that: this, these, that, and those. And we know that this is used for singular countable noun, and sometimes maybe uncountable also. But if it is nearby us, if any person, any object is nearby us, then we have to use this. If any object is far from us, then we have to use that group. If nearby us, then we have to use this one group, and if it is far from us, then we have to use that one group. If in singular nearby us, this is my pen, and after that in plural, these are my pens or chalks, whatever you can say that means far from us, like that is my book. A plural in there, like those are my books. Dear students, it's about demonstratives. Dear, now we will talk about possessives. Dear students, if we talk about possessive, means that type of articles, that type of determinants whichever used before word that is using for the showing possession. Possession means if you ask the question with a word whose. If you ask the question with whose, then your answer is with possessive word. Like whose chalk is this? Then I will say my. That is my chalk. This is my chalk. Then if we use that type of words, possessive, for using for showing possession. Whose car is this? It is his car. That type of word is known as possessive, like mine, our, your, his, her, etc. That type of word that showing possession used as the possessives. At first, like I want to write here example, whose car is this. Then a person told, this is my car. Means relation with, now my, that word is known as possessive. Dear student, it is possessive. Thank you. Remaining topics we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, dear.